Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your video once it is uploaded to YouTube already. So I made a mistake with my previous tutorial on my Vietnamese channel. I didn't cut out the first part of the tutorial, and I don't want to delete that video because if I do that, I have to re-up the video, and also my subscriber will say, oh, why you upload 2 times or something like that. So let me show you how to edit your video once it is in your YouTube channel. Okay, and here is the channel. So just go to your channel at the right corner, click on that and go to your channel. Then this is my new video, so there's a mistake in the video. We can just click on the video to play it. Okay, as you see that, you can see that there's a black just black screen at the beginning of the video, and also here, yes, right here, before I say hello guys or something like that, I clap my hand because that is used to synchronize the audio with the video, you know, when using Filmora 9. So I have to cut it out, but I forgot to do that. And now we can go to edit video. Right here, there's a small button here. So when you log into your account, you have the edit option, right? Click here. Okay, so this is a detail of your video on YouTube. So we go to editor, right? And now we have this is a video editor, YouTube video editor. And before 2020, this video editor is not available. It's YouTube just disable it in some months or something like that, and just bring it back. So here is the points we want to trim out. Here the points we want to trim out. So firstly, let's preview it. We can drag and drop the playhead right here, and right. So we find the position where I want to. Okay, so this one. Okay. On the right side, you have a zoom in and zoom out of the timeline, so you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can also use shortcut. You have the keyboard shortcut. When you click on this this small dot right here, we have the keyboard shortcut, and you can click here to see all the keyboard shortcut. For example, if you want to zoom in, you can press Ctrl plus, and zoom out, you press Ctrl minus, right? And there's some shortcut you can go to and view if you want, but in this case I just want to trim out the first part of my tutorial, so it's simple. I don't want to use the shortcut, right? And let's go back. So I think I should trim from here to here. So from here to beginning to here. So I'm click on trim, right? Trim here, and then it will preview the whole timeline. But we need to select my playhead at this position, and then click split. Okay, split. And now we have we can drag and drop the playhead to where we want to split. For example, this is the first. This is the section that I want to remove, and this is the section that I want to keep. And once I'm happy with that, I can click preview to execute the split action, right? Preview. Okay, it's actually did the job. So we can now click save here, save on the right corner to finish the work. And if you are not happy with the work, you can click undo or redo right here on the left side. Okay, and actually this editor allows you to add more, for example, add more music to your video, and also adjust the ad break, so where you want to an advertisement appear on your video, and also add the end screen and blur blur option. You can blur your face or something like that. For example, I can click on, I click on here, blur. You have the option to blur your face and custom blurring area, but I will not use that in this video. Okay, I close it, and I just click save and finish my work. And viewers, so there's some information about this one, and just 1 second, I click cancel, because if you you click here, you have the option to save as a new video or save to the previous video. So just cover the replace the old one. Okay, but I just click save, so I save cover the old one. Okay, and click save, and it is being processed. So that is how you can edit your video when it is uploaded to YouTube without deleting the video from your channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. By the way, this is my Vietnamese channel, so you can visit and say hi or xin chào in Vietnamese. Goodbye.